I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix music pausing randomly on Spotify. Step 1. Sign out of Spotify on all devices. Because Spotify only allows one active playback stream per account, another device using your account can instantly pause your current stream. Open a web browser, go to Spotify.com, log in, scroll to the bottom of the account overview page, and tap Sign Out Everywhere. Afterward, log back in on your primary device. Step 2. Turn off low power mode or battery saver on your phone. Aggressive power-saving modes restrict background app activity and cause Spotify to pause as soon as your screen turns off. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Battery, and turn off low power mode. On Android, open Settings, tap Battery or Device Care, and ensure Battery Saver or App Optimization is turned off for Spotify. Step 3. Allow background activity for the app. On iPhone, open Settings, tap General, select Background App Refresh, and ensure it is toggled on for Spotify. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, select Spotify, tap App Battery Usage, and enable Allow Background Usage. Step 4. Clear the Spotify cache. Corrupted cached files often lead to unexpected playback freezes. Open the Spotify app, tap your profile icon at the top left, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Data Saving and Offline. Scroll down to the Storage section, find Clear Cache, and then tap Clear associated with that option. Tap Clear again to fully clear your Spotify cache. If Spotify continues to randomly pause after trying these steps, consider checking your Bluetooth connection or performing a clean reinstall of the app. Faulty Bluetooth connections or headphones connected to multiple devices can accidentally trigger pause signals. Uninstalling Spotify, restarting your phone, and reinstalling the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store will clear out any lingering system bugs. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.